Good morning, everybody. I will tell you my daily routine. I wake up at 6 a.m. I have my breakfast. I brush my teeth. Then I take a shower. I get dressed and go to school. I study English at school. I have lunch and I wash the dishes. I read a book at school. I do my homework and go back home. I cook dinner and then I go to bed. And the next day, I practice guitar. I play with friends. Sometimes I exercise, and sometimes I go shopping. Usually, I go for a walk and take out the trash with me. I clean the house and I read the newspaper. I surf the internet on my phone and I water the plants in the garden. I watch Netflix. I relax and normally I listen to music when I relax. I do the laundry and iron the clothes. I feed the dog and walk the dog sometimes. I take a taxi if my father takes my car. This is my daily routine.